we will see about the wuzu, the way to perform wuzu. The first step to make niyat of prayer in the heart. It means that person is ready to perform the salah. They decided in the heart. Why do we do wuzu or why do we perform wuzu? For the namaz, for the salah. So we started by saying Bismillah. As in the previous lesson, we also see this thing that we always say Bismillah before any good work. And wuzu is also the good work. So we say the Bismillah before the wuzu. So now the first step after saying this thing, what we have, the first thing what we have to do after saying Bismillah when we are going for wuzu, we have to wash our right hand. This is the first step. We see this step in the last class. We have to wash our right and the left hand till the wrist and between the fingers. So we have to wash our hands. How many times? We have to wash it three times. We have to wash it three times. So we have to wash our right hand and the left hand three times. So we should have to wash up to wrist and between the fingers. So this is the first step for the wuzu. Now we see also the second step in the last class. Oh, thank you. Right. In the last class, we see the second step. Is there anyone who can tell me what is the second step of wuzu? We see three steps. So the first one is washing the hands left and right three times. Is there anyone who can tell me that what is the second step of the wuzu?
We have to wash our face.
Drink water and spit it out.
Okay. Okay, that's good,
Put
Abdul Malik.
mouth in,
Excellent.
put water in mouth and drink it out.
Yes, exactly. We have to wash our mouth with the water. We have to spit it out. Very good, Abdul Muhid. Okay. So the second step was, which we discussed in the last class, rinse out the mouth three times. Just put the water in the mouth and then spit it out. How many times? Three times. How many times? Three times we have to spit it out. So this is the second step of wuzu. The first one is washing the hand, right and left, both. Then we have to put the water in the mouth or we have to wash the mouth. How many times? Three times. Remember, we are washing hands three times. We are washing mouth three times. So now, is there anyone who can tell me what was the third step which we see? Yes.
Wash your nose.
Okay. Good. Good. It's washing the nose. Is washing the nose. That's good, Kashan. Okay. So this was the third step which we see in the last class. Wash nostrils. The holes in the nose are called nostrils. Okay. So the nostrils properly three times. So we just have to wash our nose with the water. How many times? Three times. So, three steps which we see. The first step we see is washing the hands, right and left hand. Then the second step which we see is putting the water inside a mouth and spit it out. Means washing our mouth three times. Then we have to wash our nose three times. This is the third step for the wuzu. So, three steps are done. Now we are moving towards the fourth step of the wuzu. The fourth step of the wuzu is washing the face. How many times? Three times. If you notice till now, fourth step, every organ, every body part is washed for three times. Hands, mouth, nose, and now the face. So we have to wash the face three times from the hairline to the bottom of the chin and from ear to ear. The chin is there, the hairline is there, where the hairs will be started on the head. So we have to wash this area. So we have to wash the face how many times? Three times. The first thing we have is the hands, left and right both. The second thing we have is a mouth. We have to wash it three times. Then we have to wash nose three times. Then we have to wash the face. How many times? Three times. So this is the fourth step for the wuzu. Now moving towards the fifth one. What is the fifth step? The fifth step is saying, now we have to wash our arms. We have to wash our arms, both arms. First right, then left. We have to wash our right arm first, then left arm. Okay, we have to wash it where? We have to wash it till elbow, till the elbow. It means that from there till elbow, including the hand. So we have to wash our arm, including the hand, till at the corner here. Okay, so from elbow to hand or hand to elbow, we have to wash our arm. How many times? We have to wash these three times. So this one is the fifth step. The first step is washing the hand, left and right both three times. The second one is washing the mouth. How many times? Three times. Then the third thing is washing the nose. How many times? Three times. The fourth step is washing the face. How many times washing the face? Three times. Now, the fifth step. The fifth step is washing the arms, both arms, right and left. First, wash the right arm, then wash the left arm. If you see, these steps are in order, these steps are in sequence. So, like the one, two, three, four, it's a sequence. So, in this way, we have to make a order, the same order in which we see. First, we have to wash hands, then we have to wash mouth, then we have to wash nose, then we have to wash face, then we have to wash arms. All these till step 5. Till the step 5, we have to wash all these things three times. Okay. Now, we are moving towards the next one. The next step is saying that now we have to wipe our head. Okay. How we can wipe our head? We have to just wet our hands. How we can wet our hand? Put your hands in the water. That's it. Wet your hands and wipe your head from the forehead to back and front again. You just have to place your hands on all the hairs on your head. You have to move your hands at the back and then move your hands towards back to front till the forehead. You just have to place your hand on all the hair for once, for once. Okay, not for three times. Washing the hands, first step, left and right three times. Washing mouth three times. Washing nose three times. Washing the face three times. Then washing the arms, right and left three times. But wiping the head with the wet hand, you just have to do it for once. Okay, you have to do it just for once. Okay, so everybody understand this step, step number 6? Everybody understand it?
Yes, sir. I understand it. Yes, sir. I
Okay, that's good.
understand.
Very good. Arish, Wali, that's good. So we see the 6 steps. We see the 6 steps of wuzu. Till now we are at the head. We reach to the head. Okay. After the head, what we have to do? We have to clean our ears with the wet hands. Okay. We are making a wuzu our hands are wet. So we have to clean our ears with the wet hands. We have to clean our ears with the wet hand. This is the seventh step of the wuzu. The first one is washing your right and the left hand three times. Washing your mouth for three times. Washing your nose three times. Washing your face three times. Then washing your arms, right and the left, three times. Then you have to wipe your head with the wet hand just for once. And then you have to clean your ears with the wet hands. This is the seventh step. Now we are moving towards the last step of the wuzu. The last step is washing the feet, starting with the right foot, after it, left foot. Also, rub between the toes. The fingers in the feet is called toes. The finger in the hand called fingers. So, we have to rub between the toes, and first we have to wash the right feet, and after washing the right one we have to wash the left feet. We have to put the water in between the fingers of feet. The fingers of feet are called the toes. We have to wash in between them. So this is the eighth step of the wuzu, and this one is the last one. After washing right and the left feet, your wuzu is completed. Your wuzu is completed. Now you are ready to perform the salah. Okay, now you are ready to perform the namaz. Okay, everybody understand that point?
Yes, sir. Yes. Sir, I
Sir,
Okay, yes, Abdul Mohit.
sir, when we do something good, Allah be happy.
Yes, exactly. Allah will be happy. And when we make wuzu, Allah will be more happy because we are ready for Allah. We are do the preparation for Allah to communicate, to talk with Allah. Because when we pray, when we perform salah, when we perform namaz, we are talking with Allah. In the namaz, we talk with Allah because namaz is for Allah. So Allah will be very happy when we make wuzu for Him. Okay, so Allah will be happy when we do good things for the Allah, and
Okay, sir.
more happy when we make wuzu for Him. Yes, you are saying something. Okay,
Um,
okay.
sir, when before eating, we must say
Say,
Bismillah.
yes, you are right. We must say Bismillah. Same as before making the wuzu, we have to say Bismillah. Same as we have to say it in the eating. Every good work, every good work, start that good work with the Bismillah. You are going somewhere, say Bismillah and go. You are eating something, say Bismillah. You are making a wuzu, say Bismillah. So, by saying this thing, the shaitan will go away. When we say Bismillah, the shaitan will leave us and go away. And the blessings of Allah are with us. So, when we start wuzu, always say Bismillah. So, we see 8 steps of the wuzu. Before starting the wuzu, we have to make niyat and then we have to say Bismillah. After saying Bismillah, we have to wash our hands, the right and the left one. After washing the hand three times, we have to wash our mouth three times. Then we have to wash our nose three times. Then we have to wash our face three times. Then we have to wash our arms, right first and then the left one three times. Then we have to wipe our head with the wet hands only for once. And then we have to clean our ears with the wet hands. Then we have to wash our feet, the right and the left feet. So everybody got, that's good, Kashan. Excellent. Excellent. Everybody understand these steps till now? Everybody understand this thing? Kasha,
Yes,
Farid,
sir.
Abdul Mohit, Talha,
Yes,
Mansoor,
sir.
Sir,
Muzafa.
Yes.
can I tell you the dua after
Yes,
the wuzu?
yes, you can tell.
Allahumma ja'alni tawwabin wa ja'alni min al-mutatahhirin.
Very good. That's great, Kashan. After wuzu, we recite this kalma. We recite this kalma. Okay, very good. Very good. Kashan, very well done. Okay, so now let me show you that video once again. Let me show you that video once again. The video which we see in the last class, let me show you now once again. We will see what that student was doing. So let me switch my screen. Wait for we have. Okay, the person is going for a wuzu. They are washing their hands, right, and the left hand three times. Then they are washing their mouth, the second step, three times. They will wash it three times. First hand, now mouth. Now they are washing their nose. How many times? Three times. They are putting the water in the nose for three times. Now the fourth step is washing the face. They are washing the face three times. They wash it three times. Moving towards the next step. Now they are washing their arms. See, they are washing their arms till elbow. Till elbow. First, they are washing the right arm and they are washing the arm till elbow. Till here, they are washing it. From the hand till elbow, they are washing it. First, the right arm and then the left arm. How many times? Three times. Now they are washing their left arm from hand till elbow. Now the next step is wiping the head with the wet hand. They are placing their hands on the hair head and they are also cleaning the ears with the wet hand. Wiping the head with the wet hand and cleaning the ear. And now they are washing their feet. They are washing their feet. First right feet and then the left feet. Always put the water in between the toes so that feet will be wet. Now, in this way, the wuzu is done. The wuzu is done. So, once again, we will ask Mohammad Kashan to read this one. Okay, Mohammad Kashan, can you read this one once again for the class?
Yes. أشهد أن لا إله إلا الله وحده لا شريك له وأشهد أن محمدا عبده ورسوله اللهم اجعلني من التوابين واجعلني من المتطهرين.
Excellent, excellent, Kashan. Splendid job. You done the splendid job. Very well done. See,
Thank you,
so
sir.
you're welcome. So, Kashan told us about the dua after the wuzu. So now we are ready. We done all these things. Now we are ready for the salah. Now we are ready for the salah.
Screen share.
Okay, that's good. So, did you guys got the worksheet from the course material?
Yes.
Okay. So, everybody got it? Shall we start?
Yes, sir.
Wali, did you got the worksheet? Muzafa, Talha, Mansoor, did you guys got the
Yes.
worksheet? Did you guys got the worksheet from the course material?
Yes, sir.
Okay,
Yes,
Abdul
sir.
Moed. Okay, Huzafa. Okay. So now the first question of the worksheet is asking that wuzu is a dash word. Wuzu is an dash word. So wuzu is a English word, or wuzu is a Latin word, or wuzu is a Arabic word. Which word? Which language this word belongs to? Wuzu word is belongs to which language? English, Latin, or Arabic? So let's see. That's good. So you guys can also send the answer in the chat also. And let me ask. Only one student give the answer. Only Arish give the answer. Okay. Very good. Muzafa also give the answer in the chat. Yes, Abdul Muhid. What do you think? It's an Arabic word, English word, or Latin word?
Wazu is Arabic word.
Good. That's nice. Very nice. Abdul Muhid said it's an Arabic word. Yes, Abdul Muhid, you're right. And Arish, Huzafa, Kashan, and Talha also give the right answer in the chat. So that's great. That's great. Okay, so Arabic is the correct answer for the question number one. Arabic is the correct answer for the question number one. Wuzu is an Arabic word. Wuzu is an Arabic word. Now we are moving towards the next question. What does next question is saying? The next question is saying, what do we call wuzu in English? Wuzu is an Arabic word. But what do we call wuzu in English? We call wuzu the bath. We call wuzu the ablution. We call wuzu the face wash. What do we call it? Bath, ablution, or face wash? What do we call it? Wuzu in English. It's bath, ablution, or face wash. So only one student sent the answer, and it's again Arish again. Very good, Arish. Uzefa, very nice. Okay. Talha. Talha, can you tell me the answer for this question?
Ablution.
Ablution. Very good, Talha. Very good. And Arish, Huzefa, and Mohammad Talha also sent the right answer. What about the others? Okay. So now I will move towards the next one. First, let me make it prominent so that it will visible. Okay. Question number 2 is there. Now question number 3 is on the screen. Question number 3 is saying that wuzu means the specific action of washing what? In the wuzu, we wash what? We wash clothes, we wash cars, we wash body parts. Wuzu means the specific action of washing what? Washing a clothes, washing a cars, washing a body parts. Okay, that's good. Again, the Arish send the right answer in the chat first. Mohammad Talha, Abdul Moed, excellent. Huzafa, that's good. So let's see. Mansoor, Mansoor Arshad. Mansoor, what is your
Yes,
answer?
sir.
What is the answer for this question?
Um, uh, body, PART, body,
Parts, body parts.
body parts.
Okay, good. Mansoor is your real name, or your name is other than that? Your name is Mansoor
नहीं खुदाफा
Huzafa?
खुदाफा राशिद
Okay, Huzafa Rashid. Okay, Huzafa Rashid. Okay, so Huzafa gave us an answer. It's a body part. Okay, Huzafa Rashid gave us answer for question number 3. Okay, so it's a body part. And Arish, Mohammad Talha, Abdul Mohit, and Huzafa sent the answer in the chat. Kashan, you are not sending the answer in the chat. Okay, so we got the answer for question number 3. Now we are moving to the question number 4. Question number 4 is saying that in religion Islam, in our Islam, wuzu is dash important or not important. Okay, so this time Wali will give answer. Wali, 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 are you listening me? Yes, Wali, can you tell me the answer for this question number 4? In Islam, wuzu is important or not? Wali, your mic is open, but you are not saying anything. Your voice is not coming, Wali. Okay, Sayyid Huzafa, are you listening me, Sayyid Huzafa?
Yes.
Can you tell me, Sayyid Huzafa, what is the answer for question 4? Wuzu is important or not?
What is important?
Wuzu is important. It's very, very important. Why? Because without wuzu, there is no namaz. There is no salah. So it's very, very important. So important is the correct answer. That's good. Sayyid Huzafa gave us an answer. And in the chat, some students also give the answer. It's Muhammad Talha, Arish, Huzafa, and Muhammad Kashan, and Abdul Muid. Excellent. So, very good. That's great. So some students participated very well. Not some, all the students participated very well. So till now, we're done with the 4 questions of the worksheet. And one more thing for you, there is one assignment waiting for you in the class light. The time of the period is finished right now. Okay. So we will continue that worksheet in the next class from the question number 5. Okay. So best of luck and have a nice weekend, everyone. We will meet in the next class, inshallah. So bye, everyone.